Hey, this is Jeremy Rommel, and you're here to check out my bike check, yo.
Every day I'm hustling, 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 every day I'm hustling.
This is what I'm rolling on. Running the Supercross Envy frame, Pro XL, 21 1/4. Got the Supercross Pro Light forks. Then running the purple Supercross front loader stem. Got the Speedline headset with the carbon fiber spacers. Got the Supercross Pro Light bars. Rocking a Supercross pivotal seat, you know. Got the Donnie Robinson brakes. Runaway in the back, Deviant in the front. Some Shimano SLX cranks. Got the Time pedals. Got the ODI Troy Lee directional grips. Pretty dope. I run them Supercross tires in the mud. I do pretty well on that in the mud with the Supercross tires. Elbows are doing pretty good. 9 days after surgery, was back on the bike. So, riding already. Cut!